Draw Learning. Hello guys, welcome to Draw Learning channel. Today we are going to draw the Earth while we learn Spanish. For this we make a circle. Circle in Spanish is CIRCULO. Now, we draw the continents. Continent in Spanish is said CONTINENTE. The Earth, according to the traditional model, is divided into 6 continents: Asia, America, Europe, Africa, Oceania, and Antarctica. Let's go with the eyes. Eyes in Spanish is OJOS. It's time for the question of the day. How do you say the Earth in Spanish? At the end of the chapter, we will know it. Now let's fill the drawing with color. Now we use light blue. That in Spanish is said AZUL CLARO. We painted it blue because it represents the sea. Sea in Spanish is mar. Do you know how to say planet in Spanish? PLANETA. Now let's go with the green color. Green in Spanish is VERDE. Let's see if you know the answer. The planet Earth in Spanish is called La Tierra. Fantastic! You have got it right. Very good. If you liked the video and you want to see more, feel free to like and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next drawing.